been struggling with consistency, but guys, I promise that I am working on that. Okay, I'm like I'm not working on anything, but I am working on that, guys, and I promise guys to be uploading content weekly. So guys, my name is Phyllis Wangi, or you can call me Fifi, and be sure to get a response once you call me that. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also put your post notification bells on so that every time I upload content and I upload a video, you'll be among the first people to be notified, guys. So thanks so much for stopping by. Without wasting so much time, let's get into this video. So guys, if you have been doing skincare routines and the skin don't care, then this is the video for you. Stick around and see how we make our face mask naturally at home with ingredients that are lying somewhere in your kitchen. Stick around and see how we are going to get it. So for this mask, guys, we are going to need 2 egg whites. These are my egg whites, a banana, an avocado, a lemon, some turmeric powder, essential oil. For this case I use coconut oil, fresh yogurt, yeah, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, this is organic honey, and a fresh leaf of aloe vera. And of course, we're going to need a blender to blend all things up. So this is everything, guys, that we're going to use for our home face mask. Also guys, I forgot to add, you can add your coffee in the blender while blending or afterwards. So I'm just going to put a little for now and store the other remainder in this cute glass jar that I'm going to use for the rest of the week. Make sure your container is airtight, so I'm just going to store that in the fridge and use the other one in a small plate for now, and the consistency should be thick for better results. So guys, our face mask is here, and I've seen guys that it's easy peasy, making it is easy peasy, and everything you have it is available. So guys, before applying our face mask in our gorgeous skin, make sure that your skin is clean, it's looking all cute, it's looking all fresh. Make sure that you wash your face, but I'm still going to wash mine for the purpose of this video. So see you in a few. So guys, I've already washed my face and it feels amazing. So guys, this is the soap I use. It's purely aloe vera soap, in case someone was just wondering. So guys, now let's get in our mask. Our mask here. Guys, the mask smells so good. Oh my god. Because of the coffee. Smell the coffee. I know you can't. So guys, I'm just going to start applying, and I'm going to use this makeup brush to apply the mask. So let's get it. Guys, a disclaimer, aloe vera itches for some skins. Mine does not itch because mine is an OG.
She what?
Yeah, but aloe vera itches. So if you hear itching from your skin, it's aloe vera and it's totally fine. But if it itches too much, you can wash it off. But for us, the OGs, we can sleep with the face mask. So let's get it.
Keep quiet.
Contented with my face mask. You can apply as light as you want, as heavy as you want. You can stay for it as long as you want, but currently mine, I'm just going to stay with it for a bit, 30 minutes, then wash it off. So see you after 30 minutes. guys, it's 30 minutes later. I'm even struggling to talk. As you can see, the last time we saw each other, I was looking like a clown. But now, guys, as you can see, my mask has dried off pretty well, and I am amazed with the results. So guys, let's rinse it off and see you in a few. Oh my god, guys, I have rinsed the mask off, and guys, the feeling after is priceless. Trust me, guys. And guys, ooh, I feel so good by the way. I feel so good. So that is the face mask. Why not? So I'm going to moisturize with this sweetheart, this bae of mine. So let's do it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it. That's how it's looking, guys. And we're going to do the face mask, the one, guys, I showed you that we have left in the fridge. We're going to do that for the next 2 weeks and see their results, and I'll be back here. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it's going to work wonders for you if you try it. And if you try it, guys, please comment down below what will be your results, if it's a yay or a nay. So guys, thank you so much. Follow me on my Instagram, will be here. And please, guys, please subscribe if you still haven't, and share and tell a friend. So guys, till next time, bye.